Hello and welcome. Today we are going to create a Twitter bot in Python. Okay, so there are a few things to do. Before we start the tutorial, you need to first go to this website, which is called FruitCodeCamp. Okay, and let's go to create a Twitter bot in Python. So let's take a look. Create a Twitter bot in Python using Tweepy. It was made in 2018. So but before you start, there are a few things that they didn't okay, they said that Tweepy library, but before you can do it, you need to have the documentations. I've preached about the documentations in about 20 of my videos or so. You just need to get the documentations. Okay, you need to have a basic understanding of Python and get the documentation. The documentations will show you what you can do and what you can do. Okay, so you have examples and you can basically use the examples to create your program. Okay, so each API service that you'll be able to use have example. You can just use the example. The API, Twitter API version 1.1. This is the Tweepy documentation, so always be aware. And they have API version 2, so this is the API version 1.1 reference, and this is the API version 2 reference. So you can, as you can see, the API, this give you tweet. This API service give you access to tweet, get tweet timelines, post, retrieve, and engage with tweets, search tweet. So if you click on it, it will give you how to write a function that will post tweets, retrieve tweets, and engage with tweets. Sometimes you have examples, or sometimes the explanation is so easy that you'll be able to just write it yourself with just few examples. Okay, so just follow the examples. If you are using Twitter API version 2, just use the tweet, and as you can see, depending on what you want your bot to do for you, if you want it to do likes, then you can use the likes. Users, you can use the bot to block users, follow users, mute them, or search for users. A lot of different things depending on what you want your bot to do. So just download or access the Twitter API, Tweepy API, and then look for what you want to use it for. Okay, and in case you want to follow a tutorial that provide code, you can just go to FruitCodeCamp and follow their tutorial, but make sure that maybe you install the version that they used in the tutorial, so you don't have the change logs. Okay, maybe some things have been changed in the code. As you can see, a lot of versions have been released and a lot of changes have happened. So always make sure the tutorial you are following is you are using the version that the user provided in the tutorial. Okay, well, that's all of it, and I hope you are able to create a Twitter bot and use it for whatever you want to use it for. And if you are able to do it, kindly comment how long it took you, and if you have released your bot publicly on GitHub, comment your GitHub link, and I'll take a look at the functions that your program can perform. Okay.